Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting Painted. I'm coming to my local Michael's. Actually, I periodically check Michael's website for new diamond painting kits, and today I saw finally the Christmas designs, and I rushed to Michael's. I came there even before opening, and look at these gorgeous Christmas related kits. Oh my god. They are actually 30% off at this point, but as far as I understand, it's only one per item discount, 30% discount per item. Oh my god, this is gorgeous, gorgeous kits. I'm going to purchase some of them, even if they are priced the way they are without a discount. $15. $15, it's very cheap. Look at these gorgeous designs. Look at that. I will definitely take this one with the houses. Maybe the maybe Santa Claus. I have this one. The snowman. It's okay. This is a partial kit. All of them are 40 by 50 centimeters cardinal. I love this one. This one is my favorite. The car, remember that the truck that I diamond painted a few days ago and I showed you the result? It's still available. I love this one as well. Beautiful. Okay, reindeer. This is pretty. Reminds me of their kit with the unicorn. This one is also beautiful. They're all 40 by 50 centimeters, as I understand. This is a new nutcracker design. I don't like it that much, but I love this fireplace one. And this one. Oh, this one is 20 by 25 centimeters. That's why it looks kind of pixelated. But for 20 by 25, it looks kind of detailed, you know. I know that I contradict myself, but for this size, it's pretty good actually. Maybe for kids, for children, right? Or for those who just start diamond painting. All the rest are 40 by 50 centimeters. And surprise, surprise, they also have Christmas ornament. Remember, if you follow my channel, you remember I have been decorating my Christmas tree with handmade Christmas ornaments, mostly either beaded cross-stitch kits on wooden base or diamond dots. Now Make Market is making those. Oh my god, I'm gonna purchase. I just paid off my credit card. God damn it, now I have to spend money again, but I definitely will purchase all of them. No, most of them I would say. These ones are $7.99. So, but they have an event going on, 30% off, but it is per item, unfortunately, not for the whole purchase. So stay tuned. We are going to unbox a few kits today. Update. So I purchased 6 big kits and 9 smaller kits. It's 30% off the entire purchase for full priced items. In my case, since these kits were fully priced at $15, the bigger kits, the smaller ones were $8, I saved $50 on the entire order. So in the end, I paid $120. It includes the taxes as well, but I think it is pretty cheap for that entire purchase. So rush to your local Michael's today, 30% off on the entire kits that are fully priced.